Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. This avoids wasted troubleshooting. First, check Android version and free storage. You need headroom to update. Once done, restart the device to clear transient memory locks. Then open Google Play Store and find Android System WebView so you see the installed version. You do this now because updates and restarts resolve most crashes quickly, and knowing the version helps decide whether to update, rollback, or reinstall. Next, manage the app itself. If an update is waiting, tap Update and let it finish. Incomplete installs cause crashes. If the problem started after a recent update, roll back by opening Play Store, tapping the three dots, and selecting Uninstall Updates. This restores the factory web view. Once restored, restart the phone, then test. If rollback doesn't fix it, uninstall updates, restart, and reinstall the latest release to get a fresh, clean install. Finish by clearing application data and caches. Go to Settings App's Android System WebView storage, then clear cache and clear data because corrupted data often causes stops. Make sure no alternate web engine app is enabled. Disable any WebView replacements and reboot. If crashes persist, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. In safe mode, only system apps run, so you'll know if an installed app conflicts. If identified, uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.